Ready, and.
It's not the things you do at Christmas time. The secret of Christmas is clear. It's not the glow you feel when snow appears. It's not the Christmas song the heart you sang for years. Not the joyful song when sleigh bells ring, or the merry song children
Are you volume three?
sing.
Go somewhere louder yet later.
A little gift you send on
Stay three.
Christmas Day will not bring back the friend you turned away. So may I suggest the secret of Christmas. It's not the things you do at Christmas time, but the Christmas things you do